Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called type 1 error. This error means rejecting the null hypothesis when it is actually true. It means concluding that results are statistically significant when in reality they came about purely by chance or because of unrelated factors or events. The risk of committing this error is the significant level alpha which you choose, that is the value that you set at the beginning of your study to assess the statistical probability of obtaining your results, that is the p value we are talking here. The significance level is usually set at 5%. This means that your results only have a 5% chance of occurring or less if the null hypothesis is actually true. If the p value of your test is lower than the significance level, it means your results are statistically significant and consistent with the alternative hypothesis. If your p value is higher than the significance level, then your results are considered statistically not significant. The null hypothesis distribution curve shows the probability of obtaining all possible results if the study were repeated with the new samples and the null hypothesis were true in the population. At the tail end, the shaded area represents alpha. It is also called critical region in statistics. If your results fall in the critical region of this curve, they are considered to be statistically significant and the null hypothesis is rejected. However, this is a false positive conclusion because null hypothesis is actually true in this case. So you have to be careful before you conclude, because not that all kind of analysis can lead to a positive conclusion. Thanks for watching. Bye.